one quick tip to help you get jump started on Instagram TV. Alright, so first time doing this, hopefully I don't get in trouble. It's a huge ass SLR camera on my dashboard. Messy right now, I know, I'm moving, but I still want to take advantage of the time I have as I'm dealing with traffic and give you guys some awesome content. But one of the things I really want to talk about today is Instagram TV, IGTV. It's been about a week and a half since it's released. I really don't think Instagram TV is going to be the YouTube killer. But it is showing the attention of how people are watching video. And it's caused, I remember when it first came out, a lot of content creators were in a rush to try to reformat their content to fit vertically. And I think one of the tough things when it comes to a new feature being added to social platforms is, you know, how do you add that to your content strategy? How does it fit the whole of your brand, your company, whatever it is? So for those of you who are not sure how to start approaching Instagram TV, this piece of advice is great if you don't want to have to start from scratch to create your content and just really leverage what you have. What I suggest you guys do is you take your best YouTube content, look at your analytics, highest watch time, whatever it is, the past 28 days, get the top 5 and format that to be vertical. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll try to cover how to convert your horizontal video into a vertical video in another tutorial, but I'm pretty sure this tutorial is on that already. But get the top performing videos from your YouTube, convert it to vertical. Now the next thing is go into your Instagram insights, see your best top performing video if you've been using Instagram video, and then convert that to be vertical. The way I've treated the descriptions is very similar to how I've done to YouTube. It might be different, but a very strong description, and then obviously a call to action if people like that similar content. So and then the beauty of it is that you already have access to analytics. You don't have to change it into a business profile. You can see the drop off. So I think that's the best place to start to get yourself on the good foot on starting off with Instagram TV, starting off with your best content that's been proven already, putting it out there, and then calibrating. Like once, just to go a little deeper, once you're seeing the data within that first week or 30 days, you'll start seeing, what type of content is working best based off how many people are watching it, plus the watch time. So if people are watching a particular piece of content, a lot of people are watching it and they're watching it for a long time, that's great feedback right there that the content is working, and you want to triple down on that. And if you notice another piece of content not working, again, it's feedback. Either improve that piece of content related to that, or drop that specific type of content in general. Am I allowed to make a right here right now? So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you liked it, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share it with friends who you think might benefit from it, and hope you guys enjoyed this random segment as well as I'm driving and moving, hence the mess, to my new apartment. So I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching Emeroy TV, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.